Here we have a tour of my railway in my loft, but this will probably, actually, yeah. So, here we go, with Owen Morris here. So, you're on a ballast wagon, and you're being pushed around by 33063. Here we go. Wrong way. Enjoy. Bye guys. Oh, 1 minute, it's falling, and I think you've just derailed. Hold back a minute. Push! Let me just re-straighten you now.
Oh.
Don't worry, everybody. Don't worry at all.
Oh,
Nothing's happening. Now push you back. Are you stable? Yeah, good. Here we go again. I'll go a bit slow. There we have a 20. 73 in the station. A couple of Hymex around the back. Signal box. Some of the background layouts. Here you come up to shunters. Shunter strap line. See that blue one? Like the bright blue one, that's the one I painted. Well, thanks, and you've done it here there. That whole thing. You have some Celtic. Yep. And then you have Owen Morris. There you go and pass a HSC on freight and passenger.
Okay, filming stopped.
Right, let's sit on the chairs. Whilst I just...
Is the loom buttons off?
It's still filming.
Oh god.